Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a really quick centerpiece. As you can tell from the title, we are starting to get into our Easter DIYs. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video before you do anything else. Subscribe and like. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram and that you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. And let's get into it. So for today's project, what you're going to need is one of these cones like this. You can use this size, you can use something bigger. For me, I'm just going to use this size. I have some grass that I'm probably going to put around as I put the eggs on, and I also have some beading just in case I want to give it a little something extra. So to adhere all this to the cylinder, I'm going to be using my hot glue gun today just because it dries faster than my E6000 glue. So I'm just going to take some of this and kind of sloppily put it around. And now I'm going to start putting the eggs on. Okay, so this is our bottom row. I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping all these eggs around and then we'll take a look. So doing this second row of grass, I kind of found an easier way. So instead of bunching it up like I did before, I just kind of took this and kind of wrapped it around like that. So I'm going to show you. It made it much easier, a little bit neater than the way I did it the first time. So now we have pink on here. Okay, so we are down to kind of the finishing part here. So I have one more space there that I want to put this yellow egg. And just set it right there. So I learned that these will still pop open even though they're glued down. So if you want to put like treats in it, and then on Easter you take the treats out and eat them, or you could just leave them closed and maybe glue them shut. I'm not. I have older kids, so they're not going to be like popping them open. So it's very secure right now. So what I want to do, because I'm putting the gold egg on top, I'm just going to put some more pink around in some of the empty spaces. Okay everyone, so we are now finished. I'm actually liking the kind of sloppiness of the grass, so I'm going to leave that there, and I put a little bit of that pearl strand around the golden egg just to give it a little bit more flair. But on this part I put a bow here, so you know that this is the focal point, or you don't have to do that. You can just fill in an egg there, but I kind of wanted to put something else in the center to give it a little bit something extra. So this is what it looks like all the way around. I think it came out great. I think this is a fun little project, and this is also easy enough for kids to do. So let me know if you like it by giving me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I will be posting updates and things like that on Instagram. And you will be able to see more of me and my family interactions if you don't follow my vlogs, which the link to my vlog channel and me and my husband's movie review channel is in the description, as well as the link to the coldest water bottle, which I've talked about before, is fantastic. That link is also below, along with the link to my blog and my shop. So until next time, bye!